Hey, come down a little. There you go. How's it going? How you doing? I'm riding my e-bike today. I don't love it. I don't hate it. But after a while, when I get on it and get off it, I feel like I'm moving in and out. Oh, your question is, can the fish ride his e-bike hands-free? I'll ride it for you, hand-free. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I'm heading on down to the amusement park, and I didn't pedal once. And I'm out here going about 15.3 miles per hour. I want to do 1920 today. I just want to get there on this speed. Oh man, not a good thing when the left brake, which is your front, and you press it, doesn't stop you. It keeps the throttle going. Look what I mean. I'm pressing and the throttle keeps going. Oh, we got some lights on the boardwalk. That makes the shot fantastic. Oh, yeah. So let's get on down and keep on going. I'm on gear number 3, and I'm pedaling. And I got pedal assist on gear number 3. Not a good thing. We got the rods getting ready to go. It just shut off as I got here. Oh man, let's go down to the beach. I'm not gonna go far. Well, what do we got here? Yoga. In the wee hours in the morning, man. Is that all you could turn? So I want to get on out and get where I need to be at. It's hard to pedal on this blue mat. It wasn't a pleasant day to stay by the amusement park. There's a lot happening down there. So I came back. I'm going to go find a nice quiet spot now and go have a talk. Think I'm going to have to go back to my old spot. What do I see that's coming in? Is that a small cruise ship? Is it lost? Turn around, baby. Oh, that is a nice sized cruise ship. And that is probably not one of the major liners. I started out with the full battery, and I'm already down to nearly half. And I didn't go that far. But I got 21 miles on this bad boy. Is the cruise ship overpowering the barge? Which side is he going on? He just passed the barge. How close is he to the barge? Now, when I went by the bay, that should be that cruise ship. So I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to go to my old spot. I think that's the best spot I should go to. But I don't know if I'm going to pedal off here with a single hand. Oh, yeah, that hurts my knee. Oh, I got pedal assist. Yeah, let's get going. Look what's down there. Let's see what we found. Yep, we found somebody's wallet, driver's license, credit card, bank card. We'll head on home later and we go see if we can do some research and get to the person their belongings back. We caught up to the cruise ship coming in. Man, just made it to get a beautiful shot of it coming into the bay. Let's do some research. Get this thing back to the way it's supposed to be. I'm not sure what we're looking at here, but I need to find an address and see how it's written down here. Get it off this 3D. That's where I gotta get going. I gotta get to this building and off we go. It's on my way home. Man, it's really buggy out here. You know what? I think I'm gonna get on home. And I'm gonna pass by, come back later, and I'll probably scooter over this time and then I could just go up. So let's get on out of here. Enjoy the rest of my day. Just up ahead, towards the left. That's where I need to go at later. And get up to the apartment and hand it over. There's a door person, but you know, we'll get there later when it's the proper time. Let's get on out of here. I had a good ride, a good share, good talk, and a good find. So I'm out of here on this wonderful hot day. I'm Fish, and I'll catch on many other videos to come.